Okay, supply chain attack at saka watering hole attack. So yung supply chain attack, inaatake yung third party o yung third party computer o yung node na ginagamit ng mga user para atakihin yung isang system o yung data na nasa loob ng system. At pag gumagamit ka ng supply chain attack, gumagamit ka rin itong tinatawag na watering hole attack. Ito yung website na kung saan doon laging bunibisita yung mga user. Kumbaga yun yung frequently visited, frequently viewed by the user. Tapos doon sila umaatake. So yun yung watering hole attack. So dalawang concept sa iisang vlog. So yun na yun. Supply chain attack at watering hole attack. Cyber security na to. So yun yung mga bagay na ganyan. So yun lang po.